All right, we are on page 307 today in our Go Math book. And we're going to do one of these together, and then you're going to do the rest of these today. So we're going to find out if 5 plus 5 and 6 plus 4 are equal, if they're the same number, okay, if they're equal. So if it's equal, you're going to circle it. If it's not equal, you're going to cross it out. You're going to put an X in it. So let's figure out if this is equal. 6 plus 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to write the number 10 up here because that's how many this side equals. Okay? Now, 5 plus 5. We know it's a double stacked. 5 plus 5 is 10. So these two are equal. 10 is the same as 10. Right? Yes, so we're going to circle this one. Or kind of put a box around it. That probably makes more sense. Okay? Now, you're going to figure out if this side is equal to 10 on this one. If 8 plus 8 is the same as 16 minus 8. So I want you to do the same thing that I did and put the number up at the top. Okay? So this one, the number is going to be 10 because this side is 10. And then you're going to figure out what this number is. Make sure you're paying attention to the addition or subtraction. Okay? If it's wrong, if it's not equal, you're going to put an X in it. Okay? If it is equal, you're going to put a box around it. Go ahead and pause this video and do that now. And then when you are done with 1 through 6, all those, you're going to play this video again. All right, now you're back and you've already done 1 through 6, right? If you haven't, pause the video. Do that, please. All right, now we're going to do number 7 together. Which are true? Use a crayon to color, or a colored pencil or a marker if that's what you have. Okay, which are true? Is 15 the same as 15? Yes, it is. So we're going to color that one in. So we're only coloring the ones that are true. Okay. Is 12 equal to 2? Is it the same as 2? No. I'll probably just put an X through it. Okay. Is 3 the same as 8 minus 5? Let's see. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Is 3 the same as 3? Yes, it is. We will color that one in. Okay, you're going to do these 6. Pause the video now and finish those. When you are done, you may push play on the video and we will do the next one together. All right, you are back because you paused the video to do these, right? If you didn't, do that now. All right, we're going to move on. Write 5 plus something equals 6 plus 8. Write a number to make the sentence true. Draw a quick picture to explain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture first because it helps me. Okay? So we have 5 on one side, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the equal sign in the middle just like they have right here. Okay? So this side is going to be this side, and this side is going to be this side. Okay? We know how many are on this side, right? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we're going to draw 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I'm going to put a 14 on this side so I know how many. Okay. Now, we have 5 we know for sure on this side, right? So let's draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, we need to count and make more until we get to 14. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These were our original 5. How many did we add? How many did we add to make 14? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We added 9 to make 14. Now they both have 14. Right? Okay, make sure you're drawing this also. So the number is 9. Okay? 5 plus 9 is 14, which is equal to 8 plus 6 is 14. If you need to stop to draw that, you can do that. All right, now it says circle the number sentences that are true. Cross out the ones that are false. So false means they're not true. Okay? Let's do the first one together. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 9 minus 2, 9, 8, 7. Is 7 the same as 7? Yes, we're going to circle it. Okay, now you do these. If it's not true, if the sides are not the same, I want you to X it out. Okay, if they are the same, you're going to circle. Pause the video and do that now. Okay, you are back and you have done these 3. Yes, if you have not, pause the video and do them. Use 5, 6, and 11 to write related addition and subtraction sentences. Boys and girls, these are fact families. Related addition and subtraction is also called fact families. And the cool thing about fact families is that there are 3 numbers that we use in a fact family. It can be any 3 numbers. But with this one, it's 5, 6, and 11. Okay, there's always actually a big number and 2 smaller numbers. Okay, so the 2 smaller numbers equal the big number. All right, so what could we put in this first one, an addition problem, that would be true? So what plus what equals what? Well, when we add, the biggest number is going to be last. Okay, so that's 11. And then we're going to use these other 2 numbers and put them in the problem. So let's see if it makes sense, if it's true. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 equals 11. Yes, that's true. Okay, now 11 is still our big number, and when we add, the big number is on this side. How do we need to do it now? So we've already done 5 plus 6. What would we do now? What number would come first? 6 plus 5. And we know since 5 plus 6 is 11, 6 plus 5 is also 11. Okay, so we're just using these 3 numbers over and over and over to make different problems, to make different sentences using numbers. Okay, now when we subtract, the biggest number is always first. Say that. When we subtract, the biggest number is always first. So 11 is going to come first in both of these because the biggest number is always first. Okay, now we pick one of these other ones to put in. Which one should we do first? Let's do 5 first since it comes first here. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and look, it's the other number. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now, we've already used 11, and we've already used 5 as the next number, so which number do we need to use now that we haven't used yet? If you know, put it in. It is 6. And if we've already used 11 and 6, we need to use the 5 now. And we know that if 11 minus 5 equals 6, then 11 minus 6 also equals 5. How silly is that? So fact families, you use the same 3 numbers to make 4 different problems. 2 addition, 2 subtraction. Addition, the biggest number always goes last. Subtraction, the biggest number always goes first. Okay. All right, you know how to do this one. Solve. Draw or write to show your work. Leah has 4 green toys, 5 pink toys, and 2 blue toys. How many toys does Leah have? So we're going to, because it says how many, we're going to add, and there are three numbers in here, right? So we're going to put the 3 numbers in here. Wait, Burnett did it wrong. Hold on. This is not going to be addition. This is not going to be an addition sign. I put too many. Hold on. Let me get a eraser. This is the good thing about using these. Let's see. Okay. Since we have 3 numbers, 1 number, 2 number, 3 numbers, and then we're going to see what it equals. Okay, so you're going to add these 3 numbers up, see what it equals, and write it on the line.